Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be breaking down my trades from 12th of March 2021. This is in continuation to my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, make sure that you go and watch it because on 11th of March, I made 7,500 US dollars, but on 12th of March, I lost 4,000 US dollars. I'm recapping this day just to show the hard reality of trading because some people think that trading is as easy as sitting in front of the computer and clicking the buy and sell buttons. But if you have been trading for a while, you know that it's not as easy as it sounds. I have been day trading for almost 2 years now, and I can safely say that day trading is one of the most difficult careers to make a living in. For the first 7 months, I was losing money every single month. I will post a screenshot of my 2019. If you see from July to December, I was red every single month. What that means is that I was losing money every single month. I have been documenting my trading journey on Instagram since 2019. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me there. I will post a link in the description box below. Once you follow me on Instagram, you can go through my posts from 2019 and see that I was losing money at first $100 every single day for the first 7-8 months of my trading journey. Eventually in February 2020, I started seeing some consistency and I started making $100 a day. Once I started seeing some consistency, I scaled up, then I started making $500 a day. Then after a couple of months, I started making $1,000 a day, then $1,500, then $10,000, then $15,000 a day. Trading is a very long journey. No one becomes a consistent trader overnight. You have to work on yourself every single day in order to become a consistent trader. Even after you start seeing some consistency, you have to keep working on yourself because I personally know people who are making $1 million a day. There are no limitations in this market. The only way to make that amount of money is to work on yourself every single day and improve every single day. Let's now look at my trades and then jump onto the actual recording of my trades. In total, I took 6 trades. On 12th of March 2021, I was green on 2 of my trades and I lost money on 4 of my trades. My win percentage was 33.33% and my loss percentage was 66.67%. This is my first trade on Tesla. If you look at the 1-minute chart, this dotted line is the pre-market low that is just under the 667 level. My plan is to enter just before the break of the pre-market low so that I can catch the spike in the premium. I got filled 10 contracts at a premium price of 8.24. I'm grabbing the same week expiry 660 puts. And because this is a Friday, it's 0 day to expiry, so the premiums are gonna move really fast. When I saw this lot of buying pressure around the 670 level, I exited my position with a loss of $450. Now, if I go back to this trade, I wouldn't say that this is one of my best trades because Tesla moved from 677 to 667. That is $10 move on Tesla without giving any sort of consolidation. It's kind of chasing at this point. Usually in such cases, I like to wait for some kind of consolidation before taking my trade, but in this case, I jumped the gun a bit too early and I paid for it. This is my next trade on Tesla. After this huge rejection from the VWAP, I thought that it's gonna break the low of the day and continue lower. That's why I got filled 5 contracts, again 660 puts at a premium price of 7.82. My stop loss for this trade was the break of the VWAP towards the upside, and that is around the 672 level. As it broke VWAP with a lot of buying pressure, I exited my position at a premium price of 6.05. In total on this trade, on 5 contracts, I lost $890, which is like 22% of my initial position. This is my third trade on Tesla. When I saw that Tesla failed to make a new low, there are a lot of buyers stepping up. That's why I decided to take calls at the break of this 677 level. I got filled 10 contracts at a premium price of 9.47. This is a really bad trade because we're going to see a huge rejection here. My premiums went from 9.20 to 7.50 in one candle. I did not even get the time to get out of my position. My fill price was 7.50. So I lost around $2,000 on this trade, which is again 20% of my position. Up until now, I have taken 3 trades and all my 3 trades were red. I lost like 20% on my last 2 trades. So clearly I'm not having a really good day and I was psychologically messed up at this point. If I go back and look at my trading, I should have clearly waited for the break of 680 to take Tesla towards the upside or for the break of 665 to take Tesla towards the downside. But clearly I did not wait for this range to break and I paid for it. My next trade on Tesla was again a long trade. I waited for the break of 678 towards the upside. I should have waited for the break of 680, but I was psychologically messed up at that point. I entered 10 contracts at a premium price of 9.40 for the break of 680. My profit target on this trade was 680. That's why at the break of 680, I took 5 contracts out at a premium price of 10.85. I'm still holding 5 of my contracts to see if 680 holds, and if it gives us a good consolidation, we can even see 685. That's why I'm holding 5 contracts, and as always for those remaining 5 contracts my stop loss is break even. So if the premiums come down to 9.50, I will exit my position. We saw another rejection on Tesla. The premiums dropped down to 9.60. That's why I exited my position completely. In total on this trade I made around $720. My next trade on Tesla is at the break of 680. Once it broke 680, made a new high of the day, I entered 10 contracts at a premium price of 8.20. After my initial entry, it gave us a good consolidation. At the break of the high of the day, when it made a new high, I added to my position. I added 10 more contracts at a premium price of 8.60. At the moment in total I'm holding 20 contracts and my average fill price is 8.40. I want to see if Tesla reaches 685. If it does, I will take 10 of my contracts out at 685. My entry was right here. We saw another rejection on Tesla. That's why I exited my position. I had 20 contracts, so I exited my position at a premium price of 7.74. In total on this trade, I lost around $1,300, $1,350 on this trade. That is around 7% of my position, which is not bad. If you look at the percentage wise, it's not that of a big loss, but if you look at dollar amount, it's again a big loss. I had 20 contracts. I lost $1,300. The good thing I did is I accepted the loss. In total for the day, I was down around $4,000. I took one more trade, but I don't have a recording for that trade. That was my last trade on Tesla. I made $120 on that trade. It wasn't that of a great trade, but I ended the day with $3,836 in the negative. You can take a look at my last trade on TraderSync. I took this trade at 12:14 p.m. I exited this trade at 12:17 p.m. In total, I had 20 contracts. I made $120 on this trade. If I go back to my trades, I can see that none of my trades were A+ setups. I should have honestly waited for Tesla to break 650 towards the downside, or maybe 700 towards the upside to take my position. I was trading Tesla within a range on a Friday, which is kind of a low volume day, and I got chopped up pretty bad. The only good thing I did on this day is that I cut my losers really quick. None of my losers were way out of control, because losing 15-20% on 0 day to expiry is kind of expected. But sometimes you can even lose like 50, 70, 80% of your position if you're trading the same day expiry. Even when I was taking my positions, I knew in the back of my mind that none of the positions are A+ setups. But even after that, I ended the day with 4K red, which is not bad because I had a pretty good week before then. On 11th of March, I made $7,500. As traders, you can't be on your A game every single day. The best thing you can do as traders is to be self-aware that if you're not trading well, to take a back seat and not blow up your account, which is what I did. Many traders don't post about their red days. That's why I wanted to make this video, because trading is not about making money every single day. It's about managing your account and taking a back seat, being self-aware and taking a back seat when you think you are not trading well. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for a lot more trading content. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you follow me there, because I have been documenting my whole journey from start up until now on Instagram. If you have any questions for me, post a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and I will see you in the next video.